So where do you want to go? I want to go to the mountain. Okay. Which vehicle you want to go? The helicopter? Are you sure? Yes. Why? Is it faster? Okay, but come to. Yeah. I'll start doing that. Okay, time to go. I'm gonna ride this thing. Oh, what happened to the guy? I think I killed him. Oh no, I gotta run. I think I made it. Oh no, watch out, old man! What happened? Are you okay? Hello? Are you okay? I think something is going wrong. Oh no. Oh. I'll finish you. Okay. I gotta run. Someone sees me. Let me just go down. I think I'll learn some planes here. Oh yeah. Oh, I think I fall. That hurts. Let me go back there again. I've been doing lots of mistakes today. First, my grandfather found this. Oh man, why am I doing this? Oh man, got that. Man, gotta say. Wait, I think I died! Oh, I'm hurt again. Let me go. Why am I doing these mistakes today? Huh? What is this? No! Why? Why am I doing these mistakes today? Maybe go back there. Maybe I can see some people visit there. I think I'm almost there. Oh, where are these from? Hi? Oh, hi. What is this? Don't worry, I'll help. I will get that way. Don't worry, I'll put you far so you guys cannot get. What is that? Glasses there? Are you a nerd? Yes, I'm a nerd. I'm a nerd, but you know what I'm gonna do? What? password. I'm super smart. Ah! Oh my god! You got died. What did I do? Oh no! How can I go back there? What is this? Why am I doing this all the time? That was a real bad hurt. I gotta wait for treatment for that. Are you good there? What happened to you? I think you killed my brother. I don't care. He's a nerd. Ooh, what is this? Me. Can I get this? Hey, where's this stupid thing? Oh, whoa, what is this? You wear this one. What? Are those things? Okay, you have a... I think I gotta kill you now. Why? Please don't. Wait. Nah. Just kidding. You died for that? Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Planes are hard to use. Wait. What is that? Scared to see. Should I go there?
Nice to meet you.
Yep. What is that? Why is it can't walk? What is this? This don't look like a human. Ow! Ow! Stop it! Oh. I'm gonna throw you. What even is this? This is not even a human. Go. He's dead. It was some type of weird thing there. Here you go, see. What is this? What is it doing? I think he's climbing up. No, I gotta run. What is that? I shouldn't go to this place. It's there. Guy, I think you gotta run, man. What do you do? I'm trying to hold you, man. Man. I think you got space. What do you mean by that? Please! I think he's getting eaten by that thing. He's getting damaged. Ah! I think my day is over. And it's been a long day. No!